Hello, Espresso Cyborg here, and today we will be working on repairing our steam valve after we rebuild our steam valve. I know it sounds stupid, but it happens often, and it gives me the red one whenever it does. You replace the seat gasket and O-rings on the steam valve, then fire up the machine, and there is a wisp of steam coming out of the wand. Oh, the cheek on that machine, but I'm calm. Okay, let's sip some espresso. We will need a pick, snap ring pliers, depending on machine, crescent wrenches and open-end wrenches, again depending on machine, 6mm Allen wrench, electrical tape, flathead screwdriver, slip joint pliers, food-safe grease and lube, and of course the rebuild kit for our steam valve. You will also need Locktite 242 or 567, whichever you prefer. I am rather partial to 567 myself, but that's just me. Yes, you can rebuild most steam valves without removing it from the machine. I am using an old M15 steam valve for dramatic pictures. Moving on, you all know the golden rule, safety first. Anything metal on the machine can and will burn you if you let it. That being said, turn off machine and let cool, or if supplied, turn off the ball valve on the boiler tube connected to the valve. Pull out the steam knob, then remove the snap ring and washer in the valve. Unscrew the tap rod from the valve. At this time, we can wrap a towel around the tap rod and use the slip joint pliers to remove the screw in the middle of the seat gasket. This gives us access to replace the gasket. After our gasket is replaced, then we can replace and lube the O-ring. This concludes rebuilding our steam valve. I'm sure you do not need me to tell you to clean your parts before putting everything back together, and that you need to grease the threads of the tap rod. So, let us keep sipping. So we reassembled our valve and turned on the machine. Wouldn't you know it, after sticking a mirror under the wand, we have a mild leak, son of an onion. Put down the espresso turn-off machine and take it apart again. This time, after removing the tap rod, look into the valve body, and you will notice the stainless steel valve seat. Using the Allen wrench screw, remove the seat and clean the threads. You can use your towel and a screwdriver to clean threads in the valve body. Apply your favorite thread lock to the valve seat. Note, I do not recommend using permanent thread seal on your machine parts. Always use middle strength. Why so? That if need be, you can take it apart. Gotta take a sip. To get the valve seat back in place, measure it on the Allen wrench with about ½ an inch extra space. Then add electrical tape to the Allen wrench so that the valve seat will push against it when you insert it into the valve body. There are some valve seats that you can get a Teflon gasket to use instead of thread sealant. I am sometimes a paranoid nut when it comes to my repairs, so if you can find it, use both the Teflon gasket and thread locker. Now that we have screwed in our valve seat, we can put in tap rod, washer and snap ring. Fire up the machine, and what do you know, the small leak is gone. Thank you for watching this video within the universe created from coffee.